If you're a software developer wrestling with brittle, manual data pipelines that break under their own weight, you're not alone. Manual orchestration leads to midnight debugging sessions, duplicated efforts, and data quality issues that make your stakeholders lose sleep. This skill gives you concrete tools: dynamic DAG creation with Python decorators, XComs for cross task communication, automated schema validation with great expectations, and self healing pipelines using Kubernetes executors. Whether you're a data engineer scaling batch jobs, a backend dev integrating real time streams, or a DevOps engineer automating ELT workflows, Airflow becomes your secret weapon. No more crying over broken pipelines. Let's build something that actually works. Here's what's inside the Building Data Pipeline Airflow skill. You'll master declarative DAG authoring with YAML templates, set up SLA monitoring dashboards in Grafana, implement incremental data loading with Snowflake streams, and automate recovery using SNS SQS dead letter queues. The skill includes patterns for dynamic task mapping, backfilling historical data, and securing connections with HashiCorp Vault. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real-world examples. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just workflow automation, it's your path to becoming a data infrastructure wizard. Installing the Building Data Pipeline Airflow skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add building-data pipeline-airflow. That's it. You'll download 12 expert-crafted modules with Airflow DAG templates, Terraform configs for AWS MWAA, and pre-built alerting rules for Prometheus. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now understands task prioritization, knows how to debug zombie processes, and can generate idempotent data loaders. No PhD required, just Python and persistence. Now go build pipelines that make your legacy ETL tools obsolete.